Hello everyone, welcome to Kids Art. If you want to learn more drawing skills, please subscribe our channel, Kids Art, your first art class. In this tutorial, you're gonna learn how to draw the Mario. First, we're gonna start from the head, and then we're gonna draw the oval shape as his head. After that, start from the left of the oval. We're gonna do another oval shape to finish this hat. On the left of the big oval shape, we're gonna draw another semicircle right on the M in the middle. Then we make this M as the board shape. He has really big nose, and the main shape of the nose is like the oval. So we're gonna draw the one really big, please. And his mustache is really big as well. It starts from a curved line. Below this curved line, we're gonna draw the small curved lines as the mustache. Then we're coloring with the black. The eyes is basic on the oval shape as well. One is the whole one, and another one is the semi-oval. The eyeball, leave the highlight in the middle, then coloring with the black. His eyebrow, start from the curved line as well and make it thick, and coloring it with the black. The ear, which is basic on the big oval shape as well. Then we're gonna draw the part of his ears. And his face, which is basic on the oval shape as well. But we're gonna draw with the two curved lines. Let's draw the smile face. He wearing overalls. Start from the left side of the face. Let's draw kind of like the raindrop, a circle bottom on it. Same as another one, but the right side a bit bigger than the left one. And he has the oval tummy. On the left, let's draw his leg by two curved lines, and also the right leg by the two curved lines as well. We're gonna start to do the left shoes first. It just starts from the really big curved line. It's kind of like you draw a circle shape. And then we finished the bottom of the shoes. Well done, guys. So the right side one, it's similar, but the curved line is much bigger. And let's connect with the curved line as well. Same, we finished the bottom of the shoes. His hand, which is basic on the circle shape, and finished the fingers. And let's draw some curved line as the finger lines. Just remember the main shape of the hand, which is basic on the circle. The right side of the arm, it's a start from the curved line. So those two kind of like the parallel lines. Both of the two hands, they all basic on the circle shape. If you have no idea how to do it, you can draw a circle first, then doing these fingers. And let's draw the raindrop on side of the hand. Between the ear and the body, we finish the hairs. Well done, guys! We finished the draft. Let's start coloring now. First color, we're gonna use the red. Start from the head. Watch out any white gap. Slow down, take your time. If you accidentally left some white gap, please coloring it. If you're afraid to color outside of the shape, you can outline it with the thick line first, then coloring in the middle. That's much easier. The arm, it's the red as well. Let's coloring it. You will see I outlined first, then coloring in the middle. Is that faster? The next color is the blue. You can use your cyan blue, royal blue, any type of blue, coloring the ovals. His overalls is all blue and it's quite big area, so take your time, slow down. Watch out if you left some white gap, please fill it. Well done, we finished the blue. Now, let's use the yellow coloring the bottom now. He has the brown hairs, so we're gonna use the brown coloring his hair. Use the same color coloring his shoes. The bottom of the shoes is the light brown. You can use the orchard or the light brown coloring the bottom. We're gonna use pink coloring his mouth, and the teeth part we keep it white. Choose your skin color coloring his face now. The last color, we're gonna use the light blue, coloring the middle of the eyes. Well done, guys! Thanks for your hard work. If you like to learn more drawing, please push the like button and subscribe our channel. Thank you. See you next time. Bye!